What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Patapim from Italian Brainrot. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center of our page with two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around, and then back up. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now in the center of each eye, draw a small black dot for the pupils. Let's go to the inside of the eyes. We're going to add a curve coming down and then up across the brow. And then from the outside, add another curve coming in and then up. Let's draw the outside of the brow. Starting from the outside of the left eye, go all the way around, up, pull that down towards the center point, go up towards the right, around the eye, and then bend that in. Now in between the eyes, we're going to add a fold, going up and then down, step up and draw a shorter curve. And then from the inside of the eyes, we're going to draw on that long nose. Let's start from the left side, going out, come down and in towards the tip of the nose, round this out, go up and then in towards the inside of the right eye. Now on the side of the nose, we're going to draw the mouth, going out and then up, and then add a small bracket around the corners of the mouth. Let's draw the inside edge of the beard. Starting from the bottom of the left eye, start by bending this in, go around the corner, and then bend that in towards the nose. Let's go underneath the right eye, coming in, out, and then back in. Now let's draw the outside of the beard. Starting from the outside of the left eye, start by going out, around, and then down. You want to create a point along the bottom, so we're going to bend this up and then in with a short line. Let's do that again. Coming down and then in, to right about there. Add another point. Now, we're going to come down and in towards the middle, bend that down towards a point. Let's draw that bushy tree hedge along the top of the head. Starting from the left side, it's going to add these little curls going all the way around. Go to the outside. I'm going to bend this in along the top of the head. You can vary the size of these curves, going across the top. Bring this around the right side, and then just bring that back in towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to draw a layer of leaves on top of the arms. Let's start on the side. Add a couple curves going up. And we'll tuck the arms in underneath. Let's start back on the left. Just going to draw a wobbly line coming all the way down towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's add the thumb, coming in and then down, around the thumb, and pull it back up towards the hand. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start with the first one, coming down and in, round up the finger, and then up. Let's layer 2 more along the side. From the bottom, going all the way around and up. And then the third finger, we're just going to bend this in towards the outside of the wrist. Let's fold this wobbly line back up underneath, starting from the outside. And get narrower as it comes up towards the top. And then do the same thing on the right. Now on the outside of the arms, we're going to add some layers of leaves. Let's start from the left side. Add these curves coming around. We're going to bend that in towards the arm. Add another layer, stepping back, going all the way around the outside. Now I want to continue this down towards the wrist. Adding a few more layers. And once more, and just tuck that in towards the side. Now on the inside of the arms, we're going to start from the top and work our way down. Starting from the side of the beard. I'm just going to pull this up in behind the arms. Add another layer. Then one more across the wrist. Let's add a layer of leaves across the top. Starting from the arm, we'll work our way across, and then up underneath the beard. Now from the inside, we're going to work our way down towards the heel. Let's start up here. Just going to add these little curls coming down. Let's round out that large heel. Start by coming in and then out. Let's pull the foot up, come down, and then up towards the first toe. Let's go back to the side. We're going to draw the first toe going all the way around like a circle, and then come down, leaving a gap on the inside. Now we're going to layer 2 more toes along the outside. Starting from the left, along the top, going around and then in, and then add one more. Now I want to draw the outside leg. Let's start from the very top. I'm just going to draw those curls going around. Now as you come past the hand, I'm just going to bend this out on top of the feet. Let's go to the top of that first toe. We're going to draw a vine. Just going to wiggle this line going up underneath. Now from the top, we're going to step over. Just going to follow this all the way down toward the foot. Round this out, and do another one going up underneath. Let's draw the inside. Again, just following this all the way down toward the bottom. Now I just want to close out the bottom with these little curls going up towards the heel. Now I'm going to finish off by adding some texture inside the leaves. Let's start on the left side. Just adding these little curves going across. And we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Patapim from Italian Brainrot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.